just go ahead and put it on the bolt, you know, or all the way around. If you reuse your head bolts, just make sure to clean them up. I mean, it's a little wet, but you know, you get the point. Now that that's on there, you can put it in, and we'll do that to every one of them. Okay. What I like to do is just a little bit like that, just rub it around and make sure you have clean hands though. That's how I like to do them. So, turn them in. Now, I'm going to bring you back when we have them all in, and we'll probably show you the torque. Although you can watch, there's millions of videos on how to torque these things down.